T. Asatu. Itulu. Iwi. Iwi na otu. Iwi na aku. Iwi na to. Iwi na no. Iwi ni se. Iwi ni si. Iwi na sa. Iwi na sato. Iwi ni tolu. Iwi abo.
Let's see how many of these Igbo numbers you can remember.
What is 1 in Igbo? Did you say Otu? What is 10 in Igbo? Iri. What is 11 in Igbo? Iri na otu. What is 12? Iri na abụọ. What is 13? Yes, iri na atọ. And 14? Iri na anọ. What is 17? Iri na asaa. What is 15? Iri na ise. Well done. What is 18? Iri na asatọ. Doing very well. And 19? Iri na itoolu. Well done. What is 8? Asatọ. Very good. And 9? Itolu. Brilliant.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up, click the notification button, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.